Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to find CapCut apps on Play Store. So if you want to add CapCut in your phone and you want to find where you can download it, you can find it on App Store. So I'm going to show you how you can find CapCut. So first, on your mobile phone, Android or Apple, you can open Play Store or App Store, and then after it's open, just click on a search column and then here find or type in CapCut. Click on enter and the CapCut apps will be show up at the as the first result. So just click on the app. So if you haven't downloaded or installed it on your phone, it will be shown as install, and you can just click on install on your phone. But if you are already download the apps, you can just there's also an option to uninstall or update the app. So in this case, I'm going to just go update. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can find CapCut on Play Store. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.